Appliance repair. This is Dean. I got a KitchenAid refrigerator. So as you can see, we had a problem with the dumper. Took care of it. So in order to put this on diagnostic mode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this door alarm and then we're gonna hold this refrigerator temperature up button, and then we're gonna release the door alarm, and then we'll go on diagnostic mode. And then on that on diagnostic mode, test 121 is for the dumper. So once we get 121 here, we're gonna press this, it will energize the dumper. All right, thanks.